Over the past decade, trampoline parks have grown by leaps and bounds, and today the industry enjoys close to a $700 million annual revenue, with no slowing in sight. Franchise City helps franchise investors research all their business options in many markets, including trampoline parks. As experienced franchise brokers, we work with hundreds of franchises and have direct access to quickly provide you with the facts and figures needed to make the right decision. Most popular trampoline franchises are over $1 million to open, and the average park ranges between 25,000 to 40,000 square feet. For investors with lower budgets, there are alternative options that we can show you, such as themed inflatable park franchises or indoor adventure parks. These are available in the $300,000 range. For investors with an even smaller budget but still interested in the childhood industry, we recommend looking at play centers or education-based learning centers. These are available between $40,000 to $100,000. There's also many other franchise markets available to explore and compare beyond trampoline parks. Our services are provided at no charge to you, compliments of participating franchise brands. If you'd like to learn more or arrange a consultation, please complete the form on this page or contact us by phone.